Exposing the Poshmark algorithm, what Poshmark wants to see to help you make sales. They tell you, and I'm going to share it with you right now. If you have a Poshmark, friends, I always click the wrong one. If you have a Poshmark account, you want to go in, and you can do this on the phone as well. You want to go into your Posh stats. If you go up here and you click on your little icon up here, you go to order activity, and then on the left you go to your Posh stats. These are things, all of the metrics that they are sharing with you are the things that they want to see. They are going to give you more exposure. They are going to give you little icons, which I know doesn't seem like a lot, but this is literally, my husband hates when I say that. This is literally what Poshmark wants to see. They are telling you. So let's get into it. The metrics that they consider valuable. We're going to look at just all of the metrics and then the metrics that they really, really value, because this is how they make you an ambassador. They want to see, so they show you your available listings, your total value, your discounted price. They want to make sure that you are showing that you are giving a discount. And friends, this is the one, if you are new to Poshmark, this is one of the most important metrics, is your self shares. They want to see you sharing. This is not only what they want to see, but this is how you make sales in Poshmark. You share your items to the top. Their SEO algorithm on the back end works slightly different than some of the other platforms. You still have to have good titles, good pictures, good SEOs, but when someone is searching, what's coming in at the top, one of the filters at the top that they can search by is recently shared. Yes, this has slowly started changing, and Poshmark has added in new filters, but it's in their metrics, and it is still one of the ways that people are finding it. It's in their metrics. They find it valuable. Some of the other things, they want to see that you, the items that you have sold. You can see here, I'm a top seller. I'm always interested in, they haven't fully explained, I'm always interested in what makes you a top seller, like how many, because most of the people that I know are top sellers. But I also know a lot of resellers, right? And not everyone on Poshmark is resellers. Shipping days, friends. They care about the days to ship. Now, they don't have a metrics. I recently did a video on eBay, and I will link it up above. I recently did a video on the eBay algorithm and what they're looking for, and eBay has a metrics. You have to stay under a certain percent of late shipment. They don't necessarily have it to that extent, because they know most Poshers are not necessarily full-time resellers, but it is very important. If you want to stay on Poshmark's good side, appease the algorithm, one day, or fast shipping, for me, I like to do it one day. Fast shipping is definitely important. And these are also things, so not only is this what Poshmark wants to see, but these are things that the buyer can look at as well. They're buying from you. They want to see that you're a top seller. They want to see that you're a fast shipper. And then they also want to see, these are things that the buyers can look at, that you're a top rated seller. This average rating they like to see it high as well. And we'll get into the ambassador status, because then this is where those metrics come in, and you can really see how what makes you an ambassador and what they like to really see. Posh stylist analysis. These are things that they like to see. Again, friends, sharing in Poshmark is part of their algorithm. It is part of what makes Poshmark Poshmark. Whether you like it or not, these are the things that Poshmark wants to see. If you don't like doing this manually, I do have a link down below for Posher VA. I think you get like 20 or 30% off using my coupon code, and it shares for you. A lot of these things, because whoever created Poshmark VA knows that these are the things Poshmark is wanting to see, but it's hard for people to do on a regular basis. So they have created a Chrome extension that makes it super, super easy to do those things. Direct shares as well. I'm a top 10%. I'm always curious. I mean, it's the top 10%, right? So I share the most 10% above 90 other percent. I'm a Posh mentor. So also sharing, not only sharing your closet, not only sharing other people's closet, but sharing new people as well. And then Poshers recruited. Not going to say that it's an MLM, but they like you recruiting new people. So sending out, and they do give you a coupon code to send out to new people, and that is something that they like. Now, let's get into becoming an ambassador. Does this little, you can see up here, I am an ambassador too. They've recently come out with a new program. Does this actually help you? I have not done a full analysis on it yet. Does Poshmark think that it's valuable? Absolutely, because they have come up with the program. So to become a Posh ambassador, this is Posh Ambassador 2. keeping your gold badge. They do give you benefits. You get a little badge, which, buyers, this goes again into buyer behavior. Buyers can see this little badge. They can look at your stats and say, I'm going to buy from this person because I know that it's going to be trusted. You get discounts to some of their Posh events, priority support, global in-app promotion, exclusive live event. So these are kind of the benefits that they're giving you, but what are they looking at to make you here? They're giving you metrics now. They're not just saying we find these things valuable. You have to do at least a minimum of 4,000 community shares. You have to sell at least 50 items. You have to keep above a 4.7 stars, and then you also have to continue to list. So they want you sharing, they want you selling items, they want you to provide good customer service, and they want you creating listings. They are telling you what they want to appease the algorithm. If you like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video. I will link a video down here of more Poshmark videos and how to make money on Poshmark. And then make sure to hit that subscribe button to learn how to make money reselling on Poshmark and eBay.